Can you imagine a world where your every need, question, and task is effortlessly addressed with a simple voice command or text input? Hello, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Google has just unveiled a new AI assistant that has the potential to redefine the way we live, work, and connect in ways previously thought impossible. So buckle up for an exhilarating journey into the future as we explore SGE, Google's groundbreaking AI assistant. Get ready to witness firsthand how remarkable this innovation is. Trust us when we say that SGE is the coolest thing ever to grace the world of technology, and you won't want to miss a moment of it. So what exactly is SGE? Well, it's not your run-of-the-mill AI assistant. SGE stands for Smart Google Expert, resulting from Google's ingenious fusion of two influential AI projects, DeepMind and Google Bard. You might remember DeepMind as the genius behind AlphaGo, the AI that conquered the world champion of Go, a complex board game. And Google Bard, the conversational AI can whip up text of all kinds, from captivating stories to witty jokes. Google merged these giants into a new division, Google DeepMind, back in April 2023, and they've been cooking up something extraordinary ever since. Now, brace yourself for SGE's superpowers. It's not just here to answer your questions. It's your life advisor, idea generator, personal tutor, and goal planner. SGE can offer guidance and support when life gets tough. Feeling stressed or uncertain? Ask SGE for advice and it'll provide tips, quotes, and even share relatable stories. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just respond. It asks questions, corrects itself, and refuses inappropriate requests. It's like having a wise friend in your pocket. Need fresh ideas? SGE has got your back. Whether it's content ideas for your YouTube channel, blog posts, or even finding the perfect gift, SGE doesn't just regurgitate information from the web. It gets creative and consistently offers original, tailored suggestions that set it apart from an exceptional digital companion. Unlike traditional AI assistants that merely serve as information repositories, SGE can generate unique insights and ideas. It employs sophisticated algorithms and deep learning techniques to synthesize information, combining disparate sources to create new perspectives and solutions. This creative prowess is a game changer whether you're seeking inspiration for your next project, planning an unforgettable vacation, or simply looking for fresh perspectives on a topic of interest. And here's where things really get exciting. You can use SGE as your personal tutor. Do you want to become more proficient in coding, learn a new language, or become an expert on a musical instrument? SGE is prepared to serve as your devoted personal tutor regardless of whether you are a student aiming to thrive academically, a professional trying to upskill in a competitive job market, or simply an individual with a curious mind keen to discover new subjects and skill sets. SGE will give you personalized advice, quizzes, and feedback, all of which will be molded to your approach to learning. It's like having a guide by your side all the time. A simplified approach to planning. SGE doesn't only offer counsel, it also makes customized programs depending on your objectives, whether those objectives are getting in shape, sticking to a budget, or planning a trip of a lifetime. The commitment of SGE as a personal assistant to keeping you on track is what separates it from the competition. It will keep you on track with your plans and objectives by providing frequent reminders and notifications. Whether it's a friendly reminder about your forthcoming trip, a nudge to examine your budget, or a message to motivate you to visit the gym, SGE will ensure that you keep your attention on the task and are accountable for your actions. But how did Google create this marvel? They joined forces with Scale AI Inc., valued at $7.3 billion. Together, they gathered and meticulously labeled vast amounts of data from the web, including text, images, videos, and audio. This treasure trove of data became the fuel for SGE's engine, the RT2 model. RT2, short for Robotic Transformer 2, is the powerhouse behind SGE. It's a visual language model capable of understanding images and words and translating them into action. This model has been trained using advanced techniques like reinforcement learning and generative adversarial networks. However, Google continued. They solicit the assistance of over 100 experts who held doctorates in various sectors, such as psychology, sociology, education, business, and the arts. These professionals played a crucial role in ensuring that SGE met all of its requirements for accuracy, reliability, diversity, and ethical behavior. Now let's talk about how you can harness the power of SGE in your everyday life. Google has made it incredibly convenient by introducing the SGE feature while browsing in Google Chrome. With just a click, you can initiate a chat with SGE while browsing. It can provide quick summaries of lengthy online articles, offer definitions when you hover over words, and even explain pieces of code. It's like having a knowledgeable friend right in your browser. Will SGE completely replace the search engines? Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, gave insight into how SGE, Smart Google Expert, has been received and its purpose since its inception in June 2023. Pichai stated that many users had adopted SGE and lauded its use and performance. He clarified that SGE is meant to supplement Google search rather than take its place. While SGE offers a more individualized and interactive kind of support, Google Search focuses solely on informational search. The goal is to combine these two features tightly, combining their best qualities to improve user experience. It is essential to remember that Google is not the only corporation searching for assistance with AI. Other tech giants such as Microsoft, OpenAI, and Meta are also actively working to develop AI projects equivalent to those produced by Google and Facebook. For instance, there is a voice-activated assistant from Amazon called Alexa that you can use. Google is still very interested in establishing SGE as a front-runner in the market for AI assistance. This is so that the company can demonstrate its commitment to innovation and leadership in artificial intelligence. What lies ahead for SGE and AI assistants like it? There are several exciting possibilities for AI aid in the future. First, artificial intelligence assistants like SGE may eventually displace conventional search engines. Users may speak directly to AI assistants to ask questions, speeding up and personalizing online searches instead of typing in requests. Second, by developing personalized learning plans, AI helpers might be essential to improve education. To make learning more engaging and successful, users could define what they wanted to learn, and AI assistants would create individualized programs. Another critical possibility is AI-assisted mental health care. These AI technologies may help people interact with peers or mental health experts, bridging the gap and increasing access to and affordability of support. While these possibilities are intriguing, they also raise significant issues of reliability, data security, and the possibility of overdependence. It is crucial to balance utilizing AI help for its advantages and keeping the human touch, highlighting the need for ethical and responsible AI usage. But enough about my thoughts. I want to hear yours. What do you think about Google's SGE? Do you see it as a blessing or a potential challenge? Share your opinions in the comments below. I am very eager to hear your perspective. That's a wrap for today's exploration of Google's SGE. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of AI, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting tech adventures. Thank you for joining us on this ride. I'll see you in the next one.